Hello and welcome to the 8th tutorial in C++ programming series, and in this part we're going to look at constants. Constants are expressions with a fixed value, so let's actually just go ahead and show you how to implement them. There's two main ways to implement them. One is in a variable manner, one is in a hash manner, aka it will be a preprocessor call. And the first one, because you can declare variable up here, and we're just going to declare a variable here, but you can do const inside the main or a function if you want. So where you just use the keyword const, which stands for constant. We're going to put our data type. We're just going to put double. We're going to put pi equals 3.14159 semicolon. So this can be used by this function, other functions in this class. Sorry about that. And what we get is, if we just see out this std cout pi email notification, sorry again, semicolon. Now we run it, we get it printed out. So you access it in the same way as you would a regular variable, but if I try and do pi equal, I don't know, 7.9, and I run that, I get failed, read-only variable is not assignable. Basically, you can just only assign the data once and that's it, because obviously it's a constant, but it will give you an error, a compiler will. Another way you can do it, or what else you can do, is show you this: const char new line equals backslash n. And now if we just do new line, run it, it's printed a new line instead of actually putting std colon new line. If you use C++, you might as well use std colon new line, end line, or end out. But this is another way of doing it. And the other way of doing constants are hash defined, like I said before. But one thing you'll be wary of hash defines is, this is probably before everything else, you can't put it inside a function. It has to be outside a function. So I'm going to put pi, and it's just capitals, and then you just do 3.14159. You don't specify the type or anything like that. Don't put a semicolon, and then you just do hash define new line /n pi and new line, run it. It gets the same result, but it's slightly different in comparison. So let's just show you what happens if you put inside a function. Actually, honestly, I've never put inside a function. Let's just run it now. Actually, it does work if you put inside a function. Fair enough. I never put. Have I ever put hash define inside a function? I can say that I have. You within an if statement. My bad. But yeah, that's how you use constants. You can either use the keyword const, or you can use hash define. Both of them have their merits. It just depends on also what you feel comfortable with. Plus, we prefer using these generally a little more, provided we find that they have a little more flexibility, and it's an easy way to distinguish them from this, which looks like a variable. And so that's it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we're going to look at the assignment operator. If you have any questions, feel free to message us at support@sonarsystem.co.uk. The email will be in the description. You can comment on this video or directly message us via YouTube, whatever you feel comfortable with. All the required links or source code will also be in the description. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day.